My name is Peter Loop, and I'm the Senior Principal Architect for ERP Systems in MSIT. I've been with Microsoft for about 3 years, but I come with a lot of industry experience. I was with Intel for 20 years before that doing ERP work. My responsibility in the project here is really I'm sort of in charge of getting this deployed, fitting this in here, doing some interactions with both the product group and with SAP to get the product in place and showcase the opportunity. So the features and capabilities of Duet, I think it's very exciting. I mean, there are foundational features that we've been building for many years in MSIT that come out of the box. And I think, for the customers out there, that's very important. But the feature that is most exciting for me is really the lighting up of the collaboration capabilities, being able to take a transaction and saying, I need to go do something with this, and then go launching a SharePoint site to collaborate on it, bringing in the information from the line of business system, as well as all of the collaboration capabilities. I mean, I think that opens up a whole bunch of new possibilities that you can't do with either system right now. I think the biggest challenge I see that we're going to face is sort of getting a new mindset of how you design an application. I sit down in several of these design meetings and we come up with well, this is what the business requirement was before, this is sort of how we go solve the problem. And then we start thinking, okay, I need a user entry screen. Okay, well, we've been doing user entry screens for a long time, and that's one of a very nice feature. But I mean, that's sort of doing the same thing better, and we've done a lot of that before. But now, think about, well, what else do you do to extend that? Okay, well, I'd really like to integrate a workflow with that. Okay, that's some of the new stuff. I'd like to go launch a collaboration out of it. Most people haven't really thought through that, and so they come through the list of business requirements. That stuff isn't there yet, and there's some different thinking, some extension of what you're currently doing that you need to get to be really successful at this, to light up all of the capabilities. And I think getting people to that challenge more so than the technical challenges. I mean, I don't want to minimize the technical challenges we have here, since this is brand new technology and everything like that. But sort of the new design paradigm, I think, is really the hardest challenge people are going to have. I think that the threshold is making this very, very simple. You have a whole range from small and medium businesses to very large businesses that are using this on their SAP platforms, and we want to talk about how do we make that experience very easy so that they can start getting their benefit. Everybody wants to get at this data inside of their line of business system. But the key measure is how do we get it exposed to the greatest number of people so they get their most value. You're spending a lot of money with SAP, you're spending a lot of money with Microsoft. How do you maximize that value that you're getting from it? And that's getting the most number of people using the system as possible.